Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lutfia Zuha and my ID number is 2025-32034. So the first program is the most basic. It begins exception in the main function. After importing the IOStream library and using the std namespace for consequence, the program immediately execute the code command. This command sends a statical text string, "Welcome to C++ program," directly to terminal screen. The text is then followed by endl to move the cursor to a new line, ensuring the program ran cleanly. So next, for the second code. The registration program functions as a multi-type data collector. First, string variables for name, address, etc. and int for age are declared for full name and address input that may contain space. The program uses the getLine, or let's say scene variable function, to read an entire input line. Meanwhile, for each mobile number and email, the program uses scene standard variables. A critical point of this program is the use of scene ignore after the age input. This command is crucial for clearing any remaining enter characters in the input buffer from the scene command, so that the next getLine command for address can run normally and not be skipped. Finally, all data that has been stored in the variables is displayed, again using a series of count commands as registration confirmation. So for the third program is the program focus on numeric data types. After declaring an variable name, angka bulat, the program prompts the user for input via code. Once the user types a number and presses enter, the command scene angka bulat reads to value and stores it as an integer. The stored value is then retrieved and combined with text using the command. Using the command code angka bulat and endl, so the user sees the same number they just entered. So next, for the for program. This program works similarly to the integer program, but focus on the character data types. The program declares a char variable named letter. The scene letter command will wait for input and specifically will only take the first character typed by the user, ignoring any remaining characters. Once the characters is successfully stored, the program will use count to display the single value stored in the letter variable back to screen. So the final program handles pure text input. Two string variables, song title and favorite singer, are declared, since both song titles and singer names often contain space. Both inputs must use the getLine scene variables function so that the entire string of word, for example, like Ocean and Angels is Nikki's single, can be read and stored in full, not just the first word after two strings are successfully filled in by the user. The program completes a text by displaying the two favorite information using count. I think that's all from me. Thank you for your good attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.